What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tyler Deshawn, and I'm finna teach you how to heel flip the easiest way. Now, step one, you want to set your feet in the ollie position, but you want to angle your back foot as if you was doing a front side pop shove it. Step two, practice sliding your foot like this off the nose and get used to doing it. Do it like 10 times so you get the feeling. Once you get used to that flicking motion, it's time to take flight. Treat it just like an ollie, but with that little flick off the side. Common mistakes: one, either your board will under rotate, and that's because your back foot is in the way, stopping it from getting this full rotation. Or two, the board will fly backwards, but it'll flip. The problem with that is you're leaning too far over your toes. You want to almost stand straight up when you do your heel flips. And that's how you do a heel flip.